What's up, everyone? This is Elric from Place for Tech, and today we're turning a Raspberry Pi into a Syslog server.
Let's begin.
I'll use the rsyslog service, which is pre-installed by default on many Linux distributions. If it's not, just run apt install rsyslog to download it. Now, we must edit the file called rsyslog.conf, which is located in the etc directory. We need to locate these 4 lines and uncomment them by removing the hash symbol. This enables the rsyslog service to start listening on both UDP and TCP port 514. Now, let's save the file, then restart the service so it updates with our recent changes. Next, let's verify our network is listening on the rsyslog port 514. It is! Now, let's go to our Cisco router and configure it to send logs to our syslog server. First, run the command logging on. Then, logging, followed by the IP address of our syslog server, which is 192.168.68.253. Now I will create a few loopback interfaces to start generating logs. I'll create interface loopback 1, 2, and 3. You can see logging is enabled, already sending logs to our syslog server. Now let's go back to our syslog server and look for the router logs. We'll find that logs generated by this system and any other remote devices we configure will be stored in the /var log directory inside the syslog file. Let's view the logs by issuing the command cat/var/log/syslog, and let's filter the results for our router's IP address. This will show only the logs that this router has sent. We can see that the loopback interface's logs were sent. So, that's how you set up a syslog server using the command line interface. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you'll get a notification every time I post new content. See you in the next one.